my God! That is not possible.
All right, that's fine. Take out any two cards you like. You can make them as different as you like.
Okay, sick.
All right? Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Keep them to yourself. Look at them for me. But I want you to remember one and forget the other one. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? And put them back for me. Ready?
Okay.
Now, whether you remember to forget or you forget to remember, it's the same thing. All right? But just have one in your head, right? We'll mix these up and lose these like this. Now, this is going to appear to be all to do with my hands, but eventually you'll realize it's actually to do with your head. So I want you to think of that card. You have it in mind. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Watch. Try and do this.
Should we flip it? That's the one I forgot.
Oh, that's the one you forgot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What was the one you were thinking of?
The 5 of hearts.
Okay, watch.
That's it.
That's wild.
Oh. Ready? I'm not even going to say you haven't said anything yet. Ready?
I haven't.
No, that's right. It's in your head.
Oh my God.
Is it the one you remembered or you forgot?
I tried to forget.
Okay.
I couldn't forget it.
What was the other one?
The King of Spades.
Watch.
That's insane. That's crazy.
Was that it? By the way, what was the one you forgot?
3 of hearts.
Okay, watch. What was the one that you forgot?
Oh no.
7 of clubs?
Don't.
Wait.
No. Holy crap.
Yeah. Wow.
Is that it?
Yep.
Well, here's the thing. What was the card that you forgot? What was it?
3 of clubs.
3 of clubs. Watch.
Oh my God. That is not possible.